OKRs are used by companies of all sizes and in all industries to set goals and drive progress. However, the tools that companies use to track OKRs can greatly influence their effectiveness. Some companies try to keep track of OKRs on paper or on a spreadsheet. While spreadsheets might seem like a great solution to organizational problems, using them to track OKRs can result in disparity from spreadsheet to spreadsheet, a lack of uniformity in the goals set, and a lack of transparency and proper communication, making this framework frustrating rather than useful. Issues with spreadsheets arise in different ways throughout a company. Individuals frequently find that it's more difficult to track and update their progress using spreadsheets. Managers and OKR champions find that compiling data and reports is incredibly time-consuming and tedious as they sift through OKRs. And C-level executives have reported that there is a severe lack of transparency and agility that's needed to run a successful OKR program. Spreadsheets are not an effective way to manage OKRs, and if you're serious about adopting this methodology and want to see real impact in your organization, you need an intuitive OKR software.